I came to tell you tonight that I shut down, I let your flowers die, I let them die, Well, the colors you showed me were sparkling white, they were white. But me, I saw the cobwebs, the fault in your eyes, yet it was my And now I agree your sympathy should be as shallow as my words. And I can see how your red blood beats more than I will know. I heard your silence, but I felt you near. I felt it from every logical way, but I am here. Now I agree your sympathy should be as shallow as my words. And I can see how your red blood beats more than I.
Three 3,000 miles from home, trying to say that I will get there soon. 30 days I walk down this way, singing my madness to the moon. I met a cat on a tree, and it talked to me about things we don't see. I asked it, how do I know which is the right way to go to get me home? And it said, don't look for a reason, don't look for another way, 'cause anyway we'll get you home. You can't get lost if you don't know where you go, and anyway we'll get you is the right way, they say, if you just go your way. Oh, no, you aren't lost, just go and
He got down on one knee, 11, 12, 11, and her tears welled up, and her heart jumped to heaven. It was supposed to rain, but there's clear skies today. She was a rare gem, Romanian descent. He was a good man, gave her every compliment she deserved. Yeah, he treated her like a queen. He said, come with me, my darling beauty.